Maybe you want to create a professional YouTube thumbnail or clean product shots, and for that you will need to remove your photo background, and you came to the right video, because in today's tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to remove any photo background by using the CapCut editing app, and this will work on both Android and iPhone devices. So you can just follow my steps. Step number 1 is to hop over to your Google Play Store or your App Store, because we will need to update a CapCut if you don't have the latest version of CapCut installed on your device. If you see an open button, that means that CapCut is already updated for you, so you can skip this step, but if it's not, and you see an update button, then click on that button, wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of the app is installed on your device, and then we're going to open it. Now, you should see an interface that looks something like this. You will have all of these tools that CapCut offers, but we're going to tap on this Remove Background tool, because this is what's going to allow us to create a cutout automatically. Firstly, you're going to want to select the photo from your photo gallery, and I'm going to select this photo which I've downloaded from the internet, just as an example. CapCut will automatically remove the background of our photo, and you can just save it to your photo gallery if you want to. They also offer us these brush tools, and similar if you want to manually create a cutout, because maybe there's a part of the background which you don't want removed. Now, if you follow these steps and you don't see the background remover tool, then I'm going to show you another little trick on how you can remove the background on literally any photo, so follow me. You want to open your web browser and then navigate over to a website that's called remove.bg. All we have to do is to tap on this Upload Image option, which will open our photo gallery. Select the photo and just wait for the website to do its thing and remove the background of your photo for you. If you have any questions or suggestions about this whole process, then please make sure to leave them in the comments down below, and I'll try to respond as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and see you.